Hi friends, I'm so excited. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoe and this is Fox and Sloth Apothecary, and today we're doing a unboxing first reactions walkthrough to the Happy Halloween Tarot by Soni Graves. I have been searching for this deck for what feels like forever, and recently the creator announced that she was not going to be reprinting it. And I was super sad because that meant that it was going to be even harder to find the deck. I was looking specifically like secondhand, but then she had a couple listed in her shop, and I was getting ready to bite the bullet for the hefty price tag that was attached to it. And a friend reached out to me and offered to sell me hers. So here it is. It's obviously a secondhand deck, and we're going to open up the package and you're going to go through the cards. I am so excited. Oh, extra awesomeness. The creator did just announce that she will be reprinting the deck. She is currently trying to work with a publishing company, which means that the deck will be more accessible, mass market, fun, good stuff, wholesale. I'm too excited, so let's open this up. And then once we get everything out, we will switch camera angles and go through. Ooh! And now everyone can make fun of how I'm opening a box. Oh my gosh! Okay, fun bonus. She added cute stuff like, look at these stickers. Oh, my face. Look at these stickers. Oh, my kids are going to love this. And a fox planter. I have a 4-year-old. She is the fox from Fox and Sloth, and she has her own altar in her room, and she will definitely be trying to steal that for her plants. Is there a card? There is a card. Believe me. I'm so excited. Oh, so excited. Okay, here it is. Oh my God. Oh, I have the ring lights in it. Yay! Okay, let's change camera angles and let's go through this. I'm so excited. All right, come on. Okay, here we are. Fun fact, I have literally all my lights off to make it so that the glare wasn't there. But I feel like it adds extra spookiness to our Happy Halloween Tarot. Okay, so let's look at the whole box. So cute. We're going to open it up. Obviously, the cards are not going to be in any particular order right now because we got this from a friend. Oh, look at it. First initial reaction, it's slippery, but I think it's going to shuffle. Ooh. Okay, it's super slippery. But it feels good. The cards aren't too big. It's like the perfect size. I also love when the patterns on the back make it so that you can't tell reversals. I read reversals, and sometimes, although I would never like purposely switch a card when I'm shuffling, being like, ooh, not gonna take that one. I don't know. I feel like it probably imprints like subconsciously on whether or not it's like a reversal or not. So I like repeating patterns. So here we go. The 2 cups. So it's Pip-esque. I really like how a lot of indie artists now are doing pip decks, but they're adding like more extra symbolism or like key points to it so that it's not literally just 2 cups. There's more that you can pick up from. So like the heart. Here's the devil. Oh. And the candy for the devil. Oh, and look at the teeth. Oh my God. Because like you don't want to like get a cavity. Oh, of course you can tell that this is like first reactions because my nails aren't even painted. They're all falling apart. The 4 of Cups. I want a spooky cup collection. Oh, focus. Okay, let's see if we can do this better. There we go. It does not look like there's a companion booklet. I'm like frantically around everywhere else. Okay, it says the court cards are labeled with Spanglish gender-neutral titles. So the page, I'm not going to attempt to say this because I will butcher it and I don't want to do that. Which might be ironic because it's Spanglish, but I still don't want to mess anything up. Okay, so the Queen, so that was the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Oh, I love it. It's got like the candy corn, but also like corn, which the TikTok corn song is stuck in my head pretty much 24/7. Okay, it looks like it does better if I keep the deck off camera, so I'm going to do that. I'm not messing with it. I'm just going through the cards. All right. We have the 7 of Wands, which is like broomsticks. And the 3 of Cups. So the 3 of Cups is actually one of my make or break cards in a lot of decks. This deck is obviously like a pip-esque deck, so it wouldn't be one of my make or break cards for this necessarily, but typically this is one of the ones that I look at to decide whether or not I want a deck. The 9 of Cups. Okay, so it's just like vessels in general because we have here the potion bottles. I was concerned that I wouldn't use this deck like year round, but I think that's a lie. I think I'm going to use it like all the time. What do we have? 2 Pentacles. Okay. Oh, I like how he's on the unicycle. So it's like an extra. There's a lot of balance in this card, not just the Hermit. I am the Hermit. So, oh, that's fun. Oh, and the broken. Is it the same border on all of these? It is, but it changes color. Okay, hold on. So some are black with a yellow, and some are black with orange, and some are orange with black and white inside. Okay, so they're like all different. Okay, we're gonna have to look at them all together at the very end. I feel like I just said okay a lot. Andrew can probably keep a counter. Okay, and that wasn't intentional. Okay, stop. Ah! The Lovers. Oh, look at their heart connected. The string. I also like this font, like handwritten font. I'm a fan. Oh, Power. That one's fun. The Queen of Wands. Ooh, I find this one interesting because it's like, I feel like the other ones are kind of cartoon-esque. Didn't we have two queens? Yeah. Yeah, I feel like these are like kind of like cartoonesque, and this seems very like portrait style. The Eight of Cups. Little bats. Okay. Whoa, so now we're totally changing them. Now we have a white border with an orange. And what is that? The Ten of Swords. Oh, that's cool how the swords are like incorporated in the border. More swords. Seven of Swords. I'm sorry if this filming is like a hot mess. I was excited. Have the Ace of Swords. The Eight of Wands. Okay. Okay, yeah. That's probably my least favorite so far. The Chariot. Look at the mice and the cat. Oh my god. The Nine of Wands. So now we're back into like some black. This would be the Knight of Pentacles. Or it looks like they also have it as like knight slash son and page slash daughter, queen slash mother, king slash father. Okay. And then we have the Four of Wands. I kind of like how none of the borders really match. I want to like spread them all out at the end. I have the Five of Swords. This was one of my make or break cards in the Flux Arcana. So it's kind of cool seeing like the same card in different decks. I don't know what I would say the make or break card in this deck was for me. I saw the Hermit a lot. The Four of Pentacles. Pentacles is usually my favorite minor arcana suit. I'm all about the earth energy as a Capricorn. Is that upside down? That is. Ah. The Four of Swords. Okay, so I think that's kind of interesting. I'm doing a series right now on reading reversals, and I would find it interesting, like the bats upside down, especially this one right here. Because, like, okay, I want to see more cards in reverse. We have the Six of Pentacles. I mean, I feel like if you're going to change up, well, I guess they didn't change up swords. And so just the cups and the wands are different in this deck. Because I was going to say, I feel like if you're going to change the minors, you got to like change them all. But this seems balanced. This would be the King of Pentacles. Again, I love that like harvest corn hay in the background. The Wheel of Fortune. It's simple. I feel like there could have been more in this card, but it's cute with the little smileys. Judgment. Oh, look at him peeking out. Okay, this might be my favorite so far. Let's see if we can find something that would top it. The Sun. There's no naked baby. That might be a pro for you. That might be a con for you. I'm undecided. Sometimes the naked baby's a little weird. Just saying. What else we got? We have the Page of Swords. Oh, the way it's like translucent. I like that. We have the Three of Wands. The white borders are probably my least favorite so far. The Ace of Cups. This one's entirely white. It's got a heart on the chalice. Okay, that's some cool symbolism for you. The High Priestess. Okay. I think I'm just not a fan of the white background. When you have like the orange and the black, I think I really like the black. But I love, oh, look at, she's got her third eye. And so does the jack-o'-lantern. I wish I had her outfit. I just want to be the High Priestess. She cool. The Magician. See, I like this black background. And he opens up. It would be super cool if that like opened up past the border, but I guess that would defeat the point of a border. The Two of Swords, a double-headed skeleton. Yes. Justice. And the three eyes. The Ten of Cups. All right, I know I just said I don't like the white backgrounds, but this is probably my favorite white background one because it reminds me of like a sticker pack. Or what are those called? Flash sheets. I apologize if you can hear my washer in the background. I'm human. I have to do wash. Hopefully it's not distracting. Moving on. The Ten of Pentacles. The Pentacles are normally my favorite suit, and I don't think it's my favorite suit in this deck. I'm liking the cups here. But bats are cute. Oh, look at his little nose. The Six of Cups. I'm going to assume that's cups. The Ace of Pentacles. Okay, I like the process of the seed growing. The little mouse. But it's lacking that, I don't know. There's something about that like mysterious hand holding the pentacle and being like, here, shiny, for you, that I love. And this doesn't have that. Sad face. The Nine of Swords. Okay, so that's cool. Again, we're bringing in that like everything's kind of cartoony, and then she goes like portrait mode on us. But the teardrops, that's a pretty cool card. The Emperor. Look at his outfit. Got all the hay and the apples, because like rooted and stable. Dems the rules. Oh my god. I feel like I'm going to think that every single time I see any Emperor card now. The Moon. That one's nice. It's classic. I mean, it's not classic to like Rider-Waite-Smith symbolism, but like it's a classic Halloween picture. Cute. The Six of Swords. Yeah, I really like this black background cards. The best. The Three of Swords. The Empress. Look at her patchwork. She's like taken care of. Oh, like the little self-love patches. That's cute. The Queen of Wands. And again, going back from that, like, I don't know. I'm personally taking it as like going from like a cartoony, stickery vibe to this like portrait style. I'm for it. It doesn't seem like it's too off, actually. The Knight of Wands. I think the movement was really captured in this one well. And the way that the border blends. The Two of Wands. I'm trying to decide if I like it. My brain is very Rider-Waite-Smith right now because, is that a glare? Or is it just, no, that's the card. Oh my God. I thought that was like a glare from the camera, and it's just the literal card, like showing a little light from that jewel. The Star. Again, I'm trying to figure out if I like it or not. I don't know. I see the Star as like hope, like that gentle hug, and everything seems very dead in this card. But I think maybe that's the point, that like it's not doing, like your crops might be not doing great and stuff, but there's like that hope on the horizon. Okay, I like it. It's official. I like it. I'm going to keep checking this box to make sure I'm saying the right one. This is the Page of Wands. The Sparkles. And we have the Eight of Swords. Okay, so I was trying to figure out, and it's taken my brain this long to cue in, if like all the swords were black and all the cups were white and all the like so on, but I've now seen like black swords, and then also this is like an orange sword one. But it is like this cool gradient. Are all of them like that? No. This is like a different background. How many different backgrounds are there? We'll have to count at the end. Death. This is another make or break card for me in majority of my decks. I like this one. I think it's classic. That's definitely my washer that you probably can hear. I apologize. The Hierophant. That's one of my least favorite cards. Not like artwork wise, but in general, it makes me roll my eyes. But this one does not, because there's no mean old white man. I like the symbolism put in this card, like the candles for that like deep knowledge. It does remind me of church and like the votive candles that you light and stuff. So I like it. It doesn't have my grumpy old man. Oh, that was right. The Three of Pentacles. That one's simple. I like ghosties. The King of Cups. This king is different. I feel like he's just the little bat king. The Page of Pentacles. This went like straight for that meaning and like that creativity. I like this one. And look at the little paint splatter. I'm sorry if I'm taking like a really long time on these cards. I'm like staring at them like, oh, I like that. I like that. The Page of Cups. Look at the bat's face. It's like, surprise! It's a cup. The Seven of Cups. Meh. I mean, you're cute, but meh. There's other better cards in the deck. Temperance. Look at it, it's like a Halloween rainbow. I like that one. It's like my color scheme. The Ten of Wands. Yeah, see, some of them are just kind of meh. Pip. The Queen of Swords. I like all the books. It just says the T. The T! The Queen of Swords, and she's got the T. Oh my God. I just made a reel talking about how the Queen of Swords scares me. And that would definitely be a reason why, because she knows like the things I don't want anybody else to know, kind of a thing. She's got the T. The Five of Wands. I like this one. It's like scraggly. I guess that was that one. The Six of Wands. It's like a little wand bunch. The cat. The Seven of Pentacles. Aw, onto little kitties. Me. Merp. We have the Knight of Swords. I keep looking at the box to try to follow the pip, but I honestly go look at the card because it's not like these are like hidden. I'm not easily able to recognize it from the actual card design. The Nine of Pentacles. That one's perfect. I'm so excited for Halloween. I have 3 littles, and I feel like my husband's always at the end of the night like, okay, they're toddlers. It's time to go home. And I'm like, another house. Just another house. Just another house. Which is really funny because like we don't let them eat all the candy. But it's so much fun. Okay, the Ace of Wands. I really like aces in majority of decks, or just in general. We connect. I like that one. I like this one more than I like the Ace of Pentacles because it didn't have the floating hand. King of Swords. The Fool. He's cute. This is another card that obviously when they're showing the deck and stuff, they're going to show the Fool. But that's another one that I saw a lot. The Fool and the Hermit. The World. Oh, the Snake. Cute. And all the different. The Five of Pentacles. Did I already say I have a favorite pentacle card so far in this deck? I think this might be it. So if I said one before, I take it back. The Hanged Man. Okay. This might be the card for the deck. Remember that, please. The Knight of Cups. All the ribbons. I thought those were snakes at first. Eight of Pentacles. And last, Strength. Oh, look at that. The cat and its shadow is like the big lion. Oh, and it's from the candlelight. That one's fun. Okay. If I had to pick favorites, Strength, the Hanged Man. Oh, I just want to like take all of them now. Ah. Do I like the Hierophant that much? I might. What else? Favorites. Dem to Rules. Ah! He might be my winner. That one's cute too. Oh, and the double-headed skeleton. Little skelly boy. Trying to think what else. I think that might be all my favorites. Did I pull the High Priestess out? I don't think so. Where is she? Where's the High Priestess? It still is definitely very slippery. This is definitely going to be a hard deck to shuffle for me. I feel like I'm constantly dropping cards, and so if the deck is extra slippery, it just makes it like worse. She was a black card, right? I can't find her. Anyways, let's look at all of the cards, kind of like, look at that, the black and the white and the yellow. And there's definitely like some ombre ones in here. I'm not seeing them, but all the different borders. Honestly, I thought I wouldn't like it at first when I first like started to realize it, but I think I'm here for it. Look at, okay. Yep, sold. Expect to see this deck in every post from now on, because boom. Yeah, see, not liking those white borders. Cover that up. Cover up the white borders. There we go. These yellow and oranges and blacks. Perfect. Love it. All right. Let's slip all that back together. See? Slippery. So easy. I believe that I have a tiny gremlin calling me, so I have to sign off. But I'm excited to use this deck like all the time. And before we go, we'll give it a quick shuffle and I'll pull you a card. Oh, the tiny human's coming downstairs. All right, 3, 2, 1. Your card is the 6 of Swords. Have a good night, friends. Bye. Hey, friends. It's actually a couple days later, and I want to check in since we didn't get to do an official goodbye. And this actually proved to be a really great opportunity for me to be able to work with the deck for a couple days before giving my like final first reactions. I think that it shuffles a lot better than I thought it was going to. I was concerned that it was super slippery, and it's actually like the perfect amount. I'm still getting used to reading the like Spanglish suit titles. They're not hard to follow along, but for some reason it's tripping me up. But I am so happy and so excited that I've added this deck to my collection. It's everything I was kind of hoping for, and I definitely think I'm going to use it more than just like the spooky season, because it's spooky season 24/7 in my house. Other initial first thoughts. I still really love the different borders. The white is still my least favorite, and the all black is probably my favorite. It makes me want to eat candy corn all the time, and that's pretty much it. Before we go, let's pull a card, and then we'll say goodbye. So, something you need to know. And we have the 4 of Pentacles. Let's focus. You're holding on really tight, almost too tight. So let yourself relax. Don't worry about things falling apart, because the Fool, sometimes you just need to take the chance. So try not to hold yourself back and take that leap of faith, because it's a new adventure ahead of you. All right. Thanks for joining me, friends. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, wait. I didn't even say my normal bye, friends. redo. Okay. Thank you for joining me, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.